Little video here. I'm just running a little video here.
I already got some stupidness going on.
Holy shit, we just got out of the truck. Look at Ranger. Look at Ranger.
Look at the hair. Whoa!
All I was trying to do was show the lay of the land. We got 2 dogs on point. Ah, Rod!
Whoa!
Get up here, Grady.
Look at Maggie back. Whoa! See, the wind's blowing so
Right in their face. Right. That bird might be up here another 10 yards.
Rod sees it. I didn't even shoot.
Well, you need to get between us.
Where'd Maggie go?
Maggie's standing back here.
Maggie, come.
Get the bird.
Now, here's what I'm going to tell you. Good boy, Rod. Good boy, Rod. I don't think that's one of the birds.
I think it is.
Daddy.
Maybe not. Rod, drop.
Good boy, Rod.
Here, Tim, throw this in front of Maggie. You better. Maggie, come.
Maggie, look. That's what we're looking after, Maggie. Grady, that's right in front of you. For sure he's got it.
Right there, Rod's got it.
Oh, hell yeah, Rod's got it. Ranger's got it over 15 yards over to the right.
Rod, whoa. Whoa.
Ranger's trying to get him a little peek. Get ready, Grady. He's still looking.
Oh, I see it. Cockbird. You ready?
I saw it. He was left winged. And that ain't good enough to get away from them boys.
Nope.
Good boy, Rod. Good boy, Rod. He won't bring it to you. Hold that bad boy up. Look at dumbass over here. No, look. Look. Now I know he's hot.
Oh, they're all hot. That's 5. Got one more.
Look at Ranger.
Come on.
Could you be any muddier?
Maggie, come. Right there. He's on point right there, Tim.
I don't see him. Come on, Ranger. Oh, hell. Right here.
That's where the bird is.
You're damn right it is. That's a great shot right there. Come on, Ranger. I guarantee it's right in there.
There it is. It's a hand sitting right between me and you. Stop, Rod.
Whoa, hi.
See it, Tim?
I still don't. In this first bigger clump?
Yeah, you see it right there?
No.
There, Rod. Rod! Get it, Grady, get it.
Oh! I think Grady killed that son of a bitch.
Rod, come!
Yeah, he got there first. See, it's still alive.
Okay, Ranger.
No, he dropped it right there. Dead. You don't see it? Oh. Dead. Rod will pick it up.
Come. Maggie, look.
Okay, this liver right here, that's Rod. And this is Trey here with the green collar. Here's Rocky right here in the black. That's Rod again. Trey's right here. Jack's got the orange collar. collar on today. That's his normal collar. Then Grady, we just put clothes on him. He rates just a little bit below the dogs. Whoa, hey, whoa.
Rocky and Trey don't act like they smell.
No, Trey's on it. Oh no, that's Jack.
That's Jack. Trey's right here.
Yeah, Jack found it first.
Get ready to, don't let Jack grab it.
Jack!
There it goes. I think all three of us hit that bud. Jack!
Ah.
I got the rod off of it.
Good boy, Jack. Calm. Jack, calm. Sorry about that, old buddy. We got business up here. Jack, whoa! Jack!
Right in front of Rod.
Yeah, Rod's afraid to move. Whoa, Trey! Look at Jack. Look behind you. Look at Jack. He's on her from 15 yards away. Trey! Rocky, easy. Easy, Rock.
Whoa.
Rock! There has to... Maybe it's right there.
Ready, get it.
Wait, you were like, Grady, get it.
I did.
Fetch it. Fetch it. Rod's got it. Good boy, Rod. Good boy, Rod. Good boy, Jack. Good boy, Jack. Say something, Grady.
Hunting.
Danny Lee and her son Finn. 5 months old. He still thinks he wants to play with his mom.
Well, but I think it would be like he'd be so sad when he goes away with her. Like you guys rip him out of his homestead.
You'd have to ask him. And let me tell you something. If he tells you, let me know. We're all going to get rich. Whoa, Jack. Hey, Jack.
Whoa! Whoa!
There's that 410.
Yep.
Okay, I want to get her with the
Fetch it up, Danny.
Good girl. Good girl.
Right here. Fetch it up. Come on, Danny. Good girl. Right here. Come on, get it over here. Right here. Good shot, buddy.
Yeah, well, you know what I say. The blind squirrel finds an acorn every now and then.
Hey, rather be lucky as good any day, right?
Yeah. Good boy, Jack.
Yeah, careful.
Yeah, Danny's she's a good dog.
Oh, great, outstanding dog. You see her dad.
Come here, Jack. Careful.
Matt, you might want to just be careful with the trucks.
Jack, careful. Jack, careful. Up here. Good boy. Look at that. Whoa, good boy. Whoa.
Yeah. Jack. Whoa, hey. It got hit.
I'm going to put him away. He's getting freaked out about the gun.
I think Danny will bring that one back. She's got it, I think. Or that's a tail flapping.
Good job, Danny.
No, she's got it in her mouth.
Yep.
Come on, Danny. Come on, Danny Lee. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
That's how you do it with 410, guys. Especially a quail. Incoming.
Wait, that sumbitch went down right there by the trunk of that tree. About hit Gene in the head. Good boy, Jack. Whoa, hey, just walk right where his nose is pointing. Ah! Good boy, Jack. Good boy, Jack.
Right here, Jack.
Good boy. Calm. Calm. Atta boy, Jack.
Here, Jack.
Calm. Calm. That's it. Jack. Drop. 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 And put your hand on it. Just take it from me. No, put your hand on the bird.
Oh.
Drop. Jack. Drop. See, he'll drop it. Good boy.